Good morning and welcome to Chapter 4 at Waste Management and Microsoft 365 Business Central. In this chapter, we're going to look at Itinerant Services. Once the service registration has been generated, whether it is periodic or manual, a call has been made, it is integrated via the web, we have an app, via whatever system it is already integrated, we already have the service registered and the next thing to do is to organize them. As we can see here in operations, if we come to offers, this vertical here is adapted to the client. So the standard is never set as it. For example, if I am in offers and I want to, for whatever reason, I don't know, add here a document number, then I will add it to the header. Now we go to the programming environment and we go to offers header. In this table, we add here a new field that is going to be field 15 and it's going to be called external document number. It's going to be type text size 300. And then here in caption ML we choose the language. In this case, to be in Spanish, we're going to put número documento externo, and then in English the same that we have up, external document number. Then what we do is we go to the page and here we add the field that we have just created, and we also put application area igual a alt, the same as the previous one. As we can see, there are many 8s when we program. Now what we do is we compile and we upload it to the page. Now we go to operations and we go to offers, and we see that if we click on a new offer, for example, we have the external document number here. Another useful item is that if we click Ctrl Fn Alt F1, we have this page inspection in here, which we know exactly which page and which table we are working on. So it's easier than in the programming area. It is important to clarify that it is a base and it is adapted to the client. It's not something that is standard. It's always adapted to the client. One of the following steps would be to plan the services. There are many techniques. It can be done automatically, or a planner can be set up, or the people that works at traffic and logistics can also organize the operation, etc. There are many strategies and one or the other is configured depending on the client. In this case, we are going to show one of them. Then we are going to register other services and we're going to see how it works. In this case, we're going to register this one, Parc de Nostra Llar, with this direction over here. Services we create, when we create a new one, we put the name of the company, in this case also the address, here the postal code, and then also the city. But also we can configure it here, the schedule, priorities, etc. And in this way we have already created the service. What we do first of all is to filter by a date. Then we put actions and we put other, create planning of the day. Once the create planning of the day is done, here in LP plan services will appear all the services that we have already created, and what we do next is to optimize the route. In this way, when we go down, we will have them organized, because Google, what it does is that with information that according to the schedule and the characteristics that we give it, it sends information to Google Maps and this one returns the optimized route. The thing that we can do is to go to actions and click show map, and in this way it will open a Google Maps, and then all the places that we have to pass will be marked and will be organized and optimized such as Google Maps has prioritized them. chapter 4. See you in chapter 5.